In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Logitech mouse, that is the M100. In case the clicking is not working anymore, maybe the scroll wheel is not working as well. Well, how do you fix it? Well, first of all, turn it the other way, and you may not notice, but there is a screw right over here. It's a Phillips head screw. You need a small Phillips head screwdriver like this one. I'll put a link in the description if you don't have one, if you want to get one from Amazon. First, let's remove the screw. Don't lose it, it's quite small. And now we need to open the mouse. How do you do this? Well, you need to stick your nail or something in between these two plastic pieces, and without effort really it will lift just the way I'm showing you. Here we go. You can set this one aside. So these are the internals. The clicking of your mouse will be the small black part over here. This is what activates when you click. Same thing on the other side. You also have the scroll wheel, and every time you click on the scroll wheel, you're gonna notice the clicker is the red thing right over here. This is where it presses. So if this wasn't working, you know where it is. Now take a blower, could be a compressed air can or a manual blower, and you're gonna blow. There's a good chance you're gonna have some hair, some dust, or many debris that entered the mouse over time. So we want to remove those big ones first. Then take some WD-40. This does miracle with computer mouses. And all we have to do is to spray a tiny bit, a tiny drop where the black clicker is on both sides. Let me just demonstrate. Okay, I even put too much now. You can take a tissue and wipe it. And once you have sprayed the WD-40, you need to click many times, at least during a minute or two, so that it penetrates fully inside of the clicker. Same thing for the scroll wheel. If this was the issue, you need to spray the WD-40 over here, a drop or two, not more. If you had problem with the scroll wheel clicker, you're gonna spray right over here where I click currently. And if the issue was the other clicking, well, you're gonna spray right over there. And don't forget, once you spray, to use the clicker during a minute or two intensely so it penetrates inside. If not, well, it's not going anywhere. As I said, take a tissue. You can just remove the excess. So to put it back, you need to put the front first and then the back. Don't forget to screw back right here. And this is about it. Your mouse is now ready to be used, and everything should work the way it's supposed to. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next one.